Good afternoon, welcome to another video from Barclay Motor Company of Hopwood, South Birmingham. Right, LOIURE Blue Metallic Jaguar XE. This is a 2 litre I, R Sport Auto Euro 6 start-stop ULEZ compliant, 2 litre petrol turbo automatic, 51,000 miles. This is a 25T higher output engine. Serviced at 6, 12, 22, 27, just serviced at 51,000 miles. Got repowder coated, freshly repowder coated 19-inch alloy wheels. Lovely car, black leather. So we can see it has daytime LED running lights built into the headlamps, has headlamp washers, black leather heated seats, electric driver's seat with memories, reverse camera, rear park sensors. This car's got lane assist, nice Bridgestone tyre there, and a lovely freshly repowder coated wheel. Pretty sure it's got keyless entry, keyless start. Paintwork on the front is very nice. Inside's got piano black, got Meridian on the hi-fi, sport seats with white stitching, piano black dash pack, stitching on the leather clad dashboard in white as well. R Sport multifunction steering wheel with paddle change and electric steering column. Yeah, it's got memories down there for the driver's seat, reverse cam, satellite navigation, DAB radio, Bluetooth, heated seats. It's got your modes down there, sports, eco and normal for your driving styles. 51,000 miles on a beautiful example. This really lovely car. I've just driven it. Oh, drives fantastic, really well. Okay, it's got through load facility on this one as well, I noticed. 25T higher output engine. Yeah, it's got the split fold rear seats and the little yellow knobs, so you can fold the rear seats down for through load. That's a nice optional extra. Paintwork's pretty immaculate. I think all the tyres are matching Bridgestones, and it is a very nice car. Looks good in the LOIURE blue. MOT till the 16th of February 2027. Yeah, 247 brake horsepower this one. Yeah, Bridgestone tyres with lots of tread, no scuffs on the bumpers, not stone chipped, no marks on the mirrors. Yeah, lovely cars. So we can see electric mirrors, folding mirrors, memories there for the driver's seat, little button down there for your lane assist, R Sport leather multifunction steering wheel with cruise control, 51,900 miles. Aircon is freezing cold, it's blowing on my arm now. Reverse camera's big and clear. Obviously satellite navigation, as I say, DAB radio, Bluetooth, electric driver's seat, leather is in lovely condition. What a nice car. Yep, £12,495. Beautiful, that is. Please visit www.bmc-cars.co.uk. That's our website to see our other vehicles in stock. This video will be hosted on our YouTube channel, which is Barclay Motor Company 5243 on YouTube. If you head over there, you can watch this video over and over again, along with over 2,000 other car videos we produced over the last couple of years. You can thumb through those. There'll be lots of Jaguar XEs. If you would be so kind as to subscribe to our YouTube channel, then you will get a notification every time we upload a fresh vehicle into stock. You'll be one of the first people in the country to know we've just had that vehicle in. Thank you very much for your time today.